Hi, it's Joan. This week, I'd like to talk about something new that I've put together for students who are playing in bridge clubs and in, say, competitions. It's a system card or a convention card. And you can see it on the website. It looks like this, and you open it up and you can see all the different parts of what you and your partner play, what conventions you understand. And these are meant for having at the bridge table, sitting next to you, not for you to look at, but in case the opponents, if you're playing in a competition, in case they want to know a particular bid that you make, particularly if it's artificial and it doesn't mean the suit that you're bidding, the opponents are entitled to ask what it means, what your partner means by their bid, and they can look at the system card to refer to it to see whether it is in fact written in your system card. So while I don't think that you need very many conventions to play a very good game of bridge, it's also useful for a partnership to have a system card so that they can go through their system so that they know exactly what they're talking about when they make different bids. The system card is called the Joan Butts Bridge system card, but it is the standard or the standard American 5-card major card. A lot of it, we would all play the same thing. We would all follow Stayman, for example, when we're asking about a major, when partners open no trumps. We would usually play transfers to the majors, that is, to hearts or to spades. We would also use Blackwood and perhaps Roman keycard Blackwood. We would use general conventions like the Michael's Q bid. But if you've got it on your system card, it helps you and your partner to go through to be sure that you're not going to have misunderstandings when you're actually playing. But one thing that a system card doesn't really do is actually tell you what bids are forcing or not and how to actually show the shape that you've got when you're opening a hand, say one spade, and you've got, like this hand, you have 5 spades and 5 hearts. There's an understanding that we would always open the higher ranked of 2 5-card suits. And there's a lot about this in my online school um, course called Partnerships. And there are 4 lessons as usual in the course. The first one is called Forcing or Not. So I took this hand because I'd like to go through it with you and check how to show shape like this, 5 spades and 5 hearts. Well, this hand has an opening. It's quite a nice hand, 15 high card points with 2 length points, one for the spade and one for the 5th heart. So we would open 1 spade. Even if our heart suit looked a lot better than our spade suit, it's still right to open the higher ranked of 2 5-card suits. So go for 1 spade. And partner makes a limit response of 1 no trump. That means they've got 6 to 9, maybe 6 to 10 points, and they deny a spade fit. They won't have 3 spades. In most cases, they'll have 2 spades or even 1 spade. And this one no trump response doesn't need to be a balanced hand, funnily enough. We make this bid when we're a bit stuck. We've got a few points, we should respond, but we don't have anything great that we can bid. So any 2-suited hand like this, we would now show our second suit. And over 1 no trump, which is a limit bid, 2 hearts, our second suit, is not forcing. Partner has taken us back to 2 spades. This will be called false preference. They'll have 2 spades. They didn't have a long suit of their own because they might have bid it here, but they bid 2 spades. They already told us that they didn't have a fit for spades, so we expect they'll have 2 spades. So we could pass that. But on a hand like this, it's quite good. We should probably show the extra card, the 5th card in the heart suit. So let's bid 3 hearts. We would only really do this if we've got a hand that is possible for game. And partner likes our hearts. They've probably got 3 hearts and 2 spades. Yeah, sure enough, they came down. As soon as they knew that we had 5 hearts, they were very happy to play hearts. And at first, when they thought we had 5 spades and 4 hearts, the first time we bid the heart suit, 1 spade, pass, 1 no trump, pass, 2 hearts, they couldn't assume that we had 5 hearts until we told them. So let's have a look at the bidding again. We opened a spade, they bid a no trump, denying a spade fit. We bid 2 hearts, which at that stage could have been 5 spades and 4 hearts. They took us back to 2 spades, which is called false preference. And then we were able to tell them that we actually had 5 hearts, and now they went to game. Their hand is quite good when they know that we're 5 spades and 5 hearts, because they've got king and 1 spade and ace and 2 other hearts. And they haven't got any wasted honours, really, except for the queen of clubs, in the suits that we'll be short in. So this is a pretty nice hand. We have 1 club loser, and we don't know how many diamond losers, but we would hope to set the spades up. So a little system card won't discuss this level of the bidding, but that's up to partners who want to do well in a competition to get together and work out how they show their shape. It's really essential to understanding how to get to the best contract. So trump the club. Now we won't touch trumps quite yet. We'll play a spade up to the king and a spade back to the ace, and now trump a spade. We want to check. Yeah, sure enough, the spades are breaking 4-2, just as we expected, and the queen will bring down the jack. So things are great at the moment. We've got, we're going to make all the spades, all the hearts. We don't know about the diamond, and we're up here. So I think that we will play a diamond just to see where the ace is. Looks as if the ace is, it's with West. So they're now switching to a trump, which is quite a good switch by them. And we win it. Keep playing trumps to get rid of them. And that has, so now the queen of spades will drop the jack. And now the 7 of spades is a winner because we set up that first suit. Now we'd play the jack of hearts and expect to lose the last trick. But we made game in hearts. And speaking of a system card or a convention card, as I said, it won't help to be able to know how to show this shape, but it will work for you and partner to go through your system card. And the one that I've put together is standard American, nothing too complicated, but with the conventions that will help you when you're playing in a small competition. Have a great week, everyone.